And the court order has led to a war of words between the government and the opposition, with the opposition saying the government should take moral responsibility. The government on its part is saying the BJP must apologize, as the court had indicted the first come first serve policy that came into existence during the NDA regime.
पूरी नैतिक जिम्मेवारी कांग्रेस के नेतृत्व में चल रही यूपीए सरकार की है.
It is indicted the policy of the NDA.
As the top court scrapped a major telecom policy decision, terming it arbitrary and unconstitutional, an all-out political war over the question of culpability.
The government's trying to deflect the criticism emanating after the Supreme Court verdict by saying the court has criticized the first come first serve policy which was brought in by the NDA government, and it is they who should be apologetic. But the BJP rejects this. They say that the leaders of the UPA, like the Prime Minister, should resign after this verdict.
Will the Prime Minister own up his own accountability? Will Srimati Sonia Gandhi speak now?
The Prime Minister was in no way responsible, nor was the Finance Minister in any way responsible for whatever happened and whatever was done by the then Minister.
The Apex Court refused to get into the question of Chidambaram's alleged role in the 2G spectrum allocation and left it to the trial court. The court blamed the former Telecom Minister A. Raja for not following the then Finance Minister's advice. So what does it mean for the UPA government? A big blow since the court scrapped a major policy decision. The opposition is also questioning the credibility of the decision-making process of the UPA. The timing couldn't have been worse, as it comes in the middle of the polls in key states, including Uttar Pradesh. The BJP has already targeted P. Chidambaram, the Prime Minister, and UPA Chairperson Sonia Gandhi.
It's now up to the trial court to decide whether or not the CBI should investigate the role of Mr. P. Chidambaram in the 2G scam. But in election season, the opposition is all set to make political capital out of today's order.
कांग्रेस का एक-एक नेता जो उत्तर प्रदेश में आता है, पहले इस कांड के जितने प्रश्न खड़े हुए हैं उनका जवाब दे.
NDTV Bureau Report.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.